a chronic hoarder. I hoard shoes. I hoard makeup. This is my very stuffed jewelry closet. And I mean, it's stuffed. But worst of all, my clothes. But wait. I have another closet. I have a severe issue, but that's all gonna change with this video. I'm gonna do a deep closet clean out that I haven't done in over 5 years. I'm going to donate my clothes and sell them on my Poshmark link down below in case you guys want them too. And to make it interesting, for every clothing item I'm unsure about, we're gonna toss this coin to see whether or not I should keep it or yeet it. And to celebrate hitting 300k on my Instagram and 40k on my YouTube, I will be hosting a giveaway worth $300 for one lucky individual. And for this holiday season, I will be offering 20% if you buy 3 items or more in my Poshmark closet from now until January 5th. Without further ado, let's get right into the first category, dresses. I own an obscene amount of dresses. It's come to a point where I have more dresses than occasions where I go to. So it's time to give them away even though I don't want to. Let's grab the dresses. Welcome to my dress pile, and this isn't even all of it. I'm gonna sort these in 2 different piles. This is the 100% yes, keep pile, and this one is the yes, no, maybe so. I wonder who's popular for that line. All right, let's go. Finished sorting out the dresses. We're gonna focus on the yes, no, maybe so pile. These are all the dresses that I'm gonna keep. We're gonna start off with a banger, and it's this beautiful pink dress. Look at how long this trail is. It's so pretty, but I just don't wear this. This dress is undeniably pretty, but the chest and arm area is just too tight for me. And I feel like with the skirt, it makes me look like a balloon a little. The plus size is this train is detachable. I just haven't found the right occasion to wear this. With that being said, I'm gonna yeet it. This dress is a maybe. The blue color looks good on me, but the material is quite scratchy, and the slit is so high up, so I'm a little worried I'd like flash people, but it's really pretty. I do like the floral embellishments, but it's too itchy for me, so I'm gonna yeet it. This dress also has the similar issue to the blue one. It's kind of scratchy, and the fabric kind of feels cheap, but my favorite part are the shoulder sleeves. I don't think I wear this enough to justify keeping it, so I'm gonna yeet it. By the way, a lot of these dresses like this pink one will be on my Poshmark closet, so make sure to check it out in case any of these dresses are to your liking. Just letting you know. We have another blue dress. This one is like iffy for me. The chest area doesn't really suit me in my opinion, although the skirt part is gorgeous, but I'm gonna eat this. If you recall in my lace maid ranking video, this dress did not rank high. I personally don't like this. Maybe you guys would, but I'm gonna eat this. This dress is a really difficult one. I really love it. I think the design is really unique. I don't think I'm ready to part with this yet, so I'm actually gonna keep it. This would be such a good wedding dress. Hi Nala, do you have something to say? She doesn't. She's a little shy. Remember the viral butterfly Eugene tongue dresses? I bought this thinking that it was gonna be the real one, but I ended up getting scammed. So this is the fake version. Knowing that, I don't know if I want to keep this or not. On camera, it does look nice, but when I got the real version of the Eugene tongue dresses, the fake ones just cannot beat it. I think for certain this is a yeet. Okay, now I'm having second chances. Even though this is a fake one, I do think it's a good fake. I think once I get the real pink Eugene tongue dress, then I would probably toss this one. Should we toss a coin? We're gonna flip the coin. Are you ready? Okay, I'm nervous. It's heads. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this one. My sister's gonna help me put away these dresses that I'm keeping because if it's just me, I think I would die. This dress is a maybe for me. I think it's a cute picnic dress. I don't really wear this a lot, so maybe it's a sign that I should wear it more or just yeet it. But for now, I'm gonna keep it. This one is another tough choice. I really like it. I like how feminine it is. I adore the ruffles. Oh no, okay. I think we have to pull out the coin. Okay, moment of truth. Should we keep it or should we yeet it? We're yeeting this? Oh, no, I don't want to. Okay, we have to yeet it. I would have kept this dress if there wasn't a freaking stain on it. Look at this. I have no idea where this came from. I did wash this dress, so the metals might have came off and rubbed onto the dress. I don't want to risk that, so I'm gonna be yeeting this. This dress is cute enough. I'm on the swing side for this. But what's really keeping me are the pockets. Like, Hello? For now, I'm gonna keep this. I'm definitely yeeting this. This one does not fit me. It's such a pretty dress, but it skinned my skin, so I think I'm gonna yeet this. This one doesn't really look good on me, especially around my waist area. This dress I'm yeeting. This one doesn't feel flattering on me, but I'm sure it will be flattering on you guys. The color and the shimmering is really pretty. This dress was a maybe for me, but after wearing it, I like it. I'm gonna keep this one. I'm struggling with this dress. I like it and I don't know what to do. But I have another blue dress similar to this one, so let's flip a coin. Heads or tails, which will it be? It's tails. I gotta get rid of it. No, I can't back out. I'm sorry, dress, but you're getting yeeted. Tossing this. And this. And this. I haven't worn this dress in years, so I'm tossing it. This one as well. I really like this dress, but I just don't wear it. The tassels are my favorite part. I'm kind of stuck on this. I haven't worn it, but I really like it. We're gonna do that coin again. We're leaving it up to the gods again. Okay, moment of truth. Oh god, I think I'm been cursed. Tails 3 times in a row. They really want me to declutter my closet, so I'm gonna yeet this. I really wanted to like this dress, but I don't think it looks good on me. The boning here is just awkward. I'm gonna toss it. I don't even know why I questioned this. This one is so pretty, so I'm definitely keeping this. I'm debating on this one. This one is so feminine and girly, but I haven't been wearing this a lot. I don't know. I don't think I can part with this. I'm gonna keep it. If I don't wear this, rain hellfire on me. Pressure me to do so, cause this dress needs to go outside. Real quick, if you guys like my content so far, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more updates. And let me know down in the comments which videos I should do next. Let's get right back into the video. I have not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 of the similar dresses. That is a bit excessive, so we need to figure out which ones to toss. This dress is a classic. I might actually wear this for graduation. I got the same dress in pink, but in a smaller size, so I think I'm gonna toss this one. I love the pattern of this dress. I don't think I can toss this, so I'm keeping it. I bought this dress for the holidays, but I feel like I don't really wear this often, and I feel like this is too red for me. I'm sorry, buddy. I'm tossing you. This dress is too cute, but the backside is not so cute. My butt cheeks are all over the place. This dress is just way too short, but I like it, so I don't know. Should I wear this to like clubs or raves? This dress is acceptable there, right? I just checked the back and everything is hanging out, so no, I'm yeeting this. I am stumped on this dress. It looks really good on me. I love the slit. Hello. How are you? This is the perfect holiday dress. I must call the coin gods again. Let's see what they say. I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining. I think this is a keeper too. The gods have spoken. This dress is a keeper. As cute as this dress is, the zipper is horrendous. I cannot for the life of me zip this up. Because of that, it's been really annoying for me. I'm going to yeet it. I had my doubts about this dress, but it's actually looking really cute. This dress is definitely something that Nikki from Infinity Nikki would wear. I do think it needs some more cinching in the waist area, but other than that, it's fine. We're keeping this. Speed running this. I'm tossing both of these. This one is cute, but I have other dresses I like more. And this dress, I can't really fit into this. I'm tossing these two. This one had so much potential. I have these same lace-made dresses in my closet, so I think I'm gonna sell these on Poshmark. They're new and they still have their tags. We're all done with the dresses. That was insane. That's probably the most amount of dresses that I've ever given away so far. The other categories should not take this long. Look at how many hangers that was. We're gonna move on to the tops. It's finally time to declutter this closet. Ooh, this looks so bad, bruh. Let's take out the tops, cardigans, whatever is in here. My bed is a storage space. My cabinets are a storage space for my clothes. My bed frame is kind of broken because I have too many clothes underneath this bed. And a lot of them are tops. We have a bunch of tops, cardigans, jackets, etc. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna have a keep pile and a yes, no, maybe so pile. Speaking of which, where's my husband? This is my husband, Silas. Be nice to him in the comments. He's a little sensitive. Anyways, he's gonna be my support while I figure this out. Let's go. I finished sorting these out. Aren't you proud of me, Silas? Yes, kitten. I'm very proud of you. Thank you so much, Silas. let's get to it. I have this robe. I haven't worn this robe in so long, but I don't know if I should keep it or yeet it. I don't know. I really like this. But I don't wear it. I'm gonna keep it, but if I don't wear this again, the next closet clean out, I am yeeting this. This one has been sitting in my closet and I don't know why. This one looks so good on me. I don't know why I decided to get this shirt because it's way too tight on my arms. Oh, my arms are literally bulging. This was an impulsive buy from me last year. I am eating this. After wearing this, I think I'll give it a second chance. I like this cardigan, but the pearls came off. Bruh. I lost not one, not two, but 3 of the pearls. It's cute. I think I might replace the buttons, so this is a maybe for me if I'm able to do that. But if I can't, then I am yeeting this. I don't know how I feel about the buttons. The buttons are a little meh, but the jacket overall is fine. It looks flattering on me. I have an internship next semester, so I might wear this, so I'm gonna keep it. I'm tossing this. It's too scratchy for me. This one isn't that bad. Okay, I don't wear this anymore, so tossing it. This is a toss too. I'm definitely wearing this for this winter. The fur trims are so adorable, but this one I'm tossing. It's cute, not my vibe anymore. Toss. I've had this for a while now, but I don't wear it, so toss. This one is a maybe. I like it, but I haven't worn this a lot. I can't decide, bruh. We're gonna ask the coin god for help. Let's go. What does it say? What does it say? Tails? Okay, yeah. They really want me to declutter everything. I agree with this. I don't really wear it, so toss. This cardigan is too blue for my taste, so toss. I think this looks cute on me, but I don't wear it a lot. If I keep this, I definitely will have to wear this more. But we're gonna see what the coin god says, so I don't know. I don't know. I've been getting tails again and again and again and again. Is this a sign by the universe? I want to go against it, but I already have so many tops. I guess I will toss it. I can see the boob covers in this top, so I'm yeeting this. This one is hard. I really like it. I love the fur trims, but I have not touched it for over a year now. Maybe this winter can be different? I swear to God, if this says tails again, I'm gonna flip out. There you go. We got heads, finally. I'm gonna keep this for my gym clothes, but this I'll toss. I may toss this, but I'm at a maybe right now because I think I look good in it. I'm gonna keep this for now. That's all for the tops. Now we're gonna do the skirts. Luckily, the load isn't too bad this time. Isn't that right, Silas? Yes, kitten. Yeah, you're so right. I love you, Silas. Feed into my delusions, please. You know the drill. Let's go. I thrifted this skirt this year, but I haven't worn it outside once. Maybe I'll give this another chance. This style is quite specific, so I have to find a matching top with it at least. I think I can make it work. This skirt is cute, but I have other similar skirts, so tossing it. This skirt would be so good for my academia looks, but I haven't worn it a lot. And wearing it is making me change my mind on whether or not I should toss it. We're gonna do this again, and hopefully it will make the right decision for me. Okay. Please, please, please. Well, what do you know? The gods do like me. The skirt makes my tummy look a little weird. Tossing it. Okay, looking at this, I kind of like it again. My only concern is the back area. This skirt has no shorts. My back area is kind of exposed. I think I'm just gonna yeet it. Yeetus. I'm gonna toss this. And this. And this. This is too tight on me. We're more than halfway done. Onto the outfit sets and corsets. Roll it. I'm almost at my limit, I won't lie. Let's go. I'm gonna show and tell the corset. So here's this one. It's cute. I don't wear it though. Toss. This one, toss. Cute, but don't wear. Toss. I like this. It's too big on me. Toss. Cute jacket, right? Yeah, the skirt that goes with it doesn't fit my butt. Should I keep the jacket but toss the skirt or just toss both? To be determined. Toss. This top slipped through the cracks. It's really cute from Old Polly, but I don't wear it, so toss. This one, if y'all saw my Yes Style haul video, y'all know I don't like this set. Toss. Same with this set. It's a sweatpants set, but transparent. Toss. A cute shirt with a skirt, but I don't wear. I bought this in like 2021. Toss. Cute style, don't like the color. Toss. That's all for this. Hi, Nala. Hello. Have you come to comfort me? She's loving her scratches right now. Nala, do you see this? This is my husband, Silas. Do you like him? Oh, she's coming to him. She's sniffing him out. See, look, isn't he so handsome? It's time for the coats. It's winter season and I have too many coats, so maybe you guys would like them instead. They're so heavy. These are what we're gonna look over. I'm a stickler for these trims, but I have so many coats like these, so I'm gonna toss it. I've had this coat for a while now, but I haven't worn it. I do like the pink trims though. I remember when I bought this, all the other sizes were sold out, but I think it's time to let it go, so toss. This faux fur coat is really nice, but I have tons of other ones. Toss. I'm tossing this too. I mean, I like how it shines. Don't wear it that often. This jacket is low-key iconic. I don't know if I want to part with it. Like, look at this fur trim. We're gonna see what the coin gods say. I don't know how to feel. I don't know how to feel. It says heads, but I also haven't touched this in like over a year. But I really like it. I think it's just like a collector's item at this point. Okay, I'll keep it. This is another one I'm tossing. But this, I haven't touched this, but I low-key like it for like my gym outfits. I guess I'll keep it. Yay, we're all done with the clothes. You didn't realize it's literally 1:08 a.m. right now. But we're still going. We still have my accessories, shoes, and handbags. My accessories are up there. Let's climb. Okay, well, they all fell. Let's start with this one. I barely wear berets anymore, but I'm gonna keep the pink one. Toss the purple. Definitely keeping the scarf. My mom made it for me. Red one. Maybe not. Toss. This one is a deer beret. Toss. White one. I'll keep a classic. This one has rhinestones. Gray one. Toss. This one has a bow. Keep. Toss. Another bow. Keep. And then there's this beanie. I don't wear beanies anymore. Toss. Then I have these bucket hats because I bought these in my K-pop era. I'm not really a stickler for bucket hats anymore. I think I'm just gonna toss all of these. Yeah. We're down to shoes and handbags. This is my prized collections. I don't really want to toss some of these, but we'll see. Maybe I'll toss this one. I did put these shoes through the ringer a little bit. From afar, they still look pretty good. I'm gonna toss these. And perhaps this one. I wore these in wet grass and they look a little damaged. I'm sad to part with this, but I'm tossing it. Okay, that's it for those. I'm done touching them. I do have other shoes though. I'm gonna be tossing these heels. I barely wear them. These ones aren't my vibe anymore. I never even wore these butterfly heels. Or these ones. I think these would look good for the holidays. Handbag time! And then we'll be all done. Oh my god, thank god. This is a keep. Keep. I'm not parting this. Keep as well. Another keep. Oh, I'm keeping this. I use this almost all the time when I go out. This one, not so much, and it's tiny, so toss. This is a keep. Same with this. I can toss this. Keep 100%. This Michael Kors bag, I can toss. Keep. Keep. Toss. Keep. Don't really like toss. Keep. I have more bags for my closet. Toss. Toss. Keep. Keep. Toss. Keep. It's cute, but toss. I don't wear this. Toss. It's cute, but I feel like I can't wear this. Toss. It's cute, but toss. And lastly, toss. Oh my god, you guys, we're finally done cleaning out my entire closet. That was so much, bruh. I am at my limit right now. This closet clean out is literally so good. I literally decluttered so many things. I am so happy. My space energetically has shifted. Don't forget that when you buy 3 items from my Poshmark closet linked down below, then you will be receiving a 20% discount on your entire order. That's a way for me to also give back to you guys. And speaking of which, the giveaway. Thank you again for 300k on Instagram and 40k on YouTube. This giveaway is not sponsored by anyone. It is not affiliated with YouTube or Instagram. To enter the giveaway, this is what you will have to do. Number 1 is subscribe to this YouTube channel and my Instagram. 2, like this video and the giveaway post on my Instagram. And 3, you can comment down below on this YouTube section or on my Instagram giveaway post. When you comment on YouTube, I just ask that you add your Instagram username so that it's easier for me to find you. You can follow me on TikTok, but that's optional. One winner will be randomly selected to win this $300 value set. I will contact you privately on my Instagram. If you want more information, then check out the description down below for more of the giveaway rules. This has Flower Nose, Say Beauty, Unleashia, JCat Beauty, and more brands. Happy holidays to you guys. I hope you guys will like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this through. My closet is so much better now. I feel much more at ease knowing that my closet is not a cluster freaking thing. If you're interested in more content from me, make sure to follow my Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and subscribe to this YouTube for more updates. And I'll see you beautiful berries later. Happy holidays. Bye. Excuse me while I cuddle with Silas. Good night.